Hi there. I just want to give a quick update. This August energy camp, the energy workshops I've been running have been beautiful. We started with energy symbols. The next week we did the connection, which was just lovely to feel and understand the dynamics of our human connection and start to read energy. It was beautiful. Anyway, we finish the 3 series this Friday with Star Stories. And in particular, I've decided after last night's Star Matrix meeting, we're going to focusing on star love stories. So you're going to get a chance to share the moment so special where you felt loved and expand and magnify that and let that illuminate you and your life. Star Stories of Love is going to be our workshop on Friday. And then from the Saturday morning going forwards, I'm going to be continuing these popular workshops once a month with Energy Magic Monthly. So I'm going to announce that separately with the details of that in another video. And I'm probably going to be doing more videos because at the moment I have got this RSI problem in my right hand and typing is actually hurting at the moment. So I'll be coming to you much more by video for the time being while my arm heals. So the link for the workshop, the Star Love Stories workshop, is somewhere down below around this video. And yeah, welcome. It's going to be amazing.